just still initiatives go. Now they go and live in New Jersey, but the very latest thing that's happening.
I just held it there and put it in place to see what it looked like, and I let go and it just stayed there. And I don't know how it's holding, but it proves that it fits pretty damn good. Crazy. Now if I wanted it to stay, try to do it again, I'll never be able to do it. I wanted to front end up a little bit like a freak gasser, you know. But every model I build, the back end always gets a little bit higher. That stance, you know. Oh well. Yeah, I'm gonna work on that today. Picked that up. $3.99. Every other can there at Hobby Lobby was like $9 for that same size can. I'm like, okay. I just happen to have enough money, and I needed red paint. I put all my paint in boxes. My brother's got them in his house for safekeeping. So, you get this little piece on the bottom underneath the grill. I forgot to paint, so I don't know if I want to repaint the entire thing. Risk wrecking it. I think I'm just gonna leave it. Just paint that one piece. I got another truck picked up from my camper that I had a couple years now, and make a little transporter with it. And I forgot I got another Dodge L700 just like that. I'm gonna take that cab off, put that in, customize with something else. I'm gonna put this body, whatever, with that Dodge. Move the axle back a little bit, so it's because it's cab forward. And since this little guy is so short, I'm thinking of making a single axle, like cutting this section out, bringing it up a little bit, make a single axle. I don't think anybody's ever done that before, so I'm going to do that. Wish me luck. My buddy bought me a hotel room last night because it got 10, 20 below, wind chill factor. It is frigid out there tonight. Oh my God. Thank you, Mike. My neighbor from the campground this summer. He's got a good job. He says, I got my nieces, and you can't be living in your van in this kind of cold, he said, so he bought me a hotel room for a couple of nights. God bless him. Thank you, everyone. So glad Trump is in now. Hopefully the country gets back in order. Amen. You just noticed something. Do you see it? That's from the monster truck. It's like a 90s, late 90s. This is from way back. This is probably a 60s design or something from the model even. Do you notice something not right with this thing? That's the blower from the monster truck. It was a Lindbergh design. It was two halves. See? And they molded it. See, people, I don't know, don't understand sometimes with models and molds and how they make shit, but somebody's got to redraw everything, so it's not always going to be perfectly accurate from real life. You know? Like, say the nuts and bolts and shit. But purposely wise, have you ever seen a blower with the thing going right in the center? The drive. Huh? You see that? Somebody that designed this kit for the not this one, that's old. Someone designed this as a monster truck. It's a Dodge pickup. Don't know anything about cars, vehicles, or how anything works. And it's kind of sad when they have people like that designing shit. See how that's off to one side? No, because it's not. Come on. Ain't awful. Goddamn fucking oh, goddamn. There we go, finally. God damn, after fucking 5 fucking minutes. See how that's off to one side? Because there's two of them in there. There's two circulating, I don't know what to even call them. Like turbine blades, I guess you call them more. And anyways, they rotate, both coming down in the center. So it pulls air down and forces it into the engine. What the fuck? How is that going to pull air in if it's going right down the center? I've never seen one go down the center, and if you're going to have ones off the side, it ain't going to work either, because one's going to go up in the air and one's going to go down. If they have another one here and it's going that way, it's going to pull air up. This side's going to be pulling it down. If you go that way to push this one up, this will go down. So there can't be three of them. It can only be two of them. And if there's two of them, it don't come out in the center. I've never seen them come out in the center. It's got certain gears in there, but there's no room for gears that would make it go off to the center, and there's no reason for it to make it go off to the center. Unbelievable. See, people, I don't know how many people have built that monster truck, but they probably never noticed it. I wonder how many people noticed it. You put that in the comments if you ever noticed that. All right, peace out.